For those of you who are watching online, I'm sure you are eager to find out more about our new concepts. So I'm going to take this opportunity to give a short presentation outlining the features and capabilities of each of our Energia aircraft. What a beautiful family. Starting with the Energia Hybrids, a 9-seater with a range of 500 nautical miles that we see here in the front. It looks great, doesn't it? As the name suggests, it has a propulsion architecture that relies on one piston engine and 2 electric motors. The electric motors operate during takeoff and climb, when a boost in power is needed, and once the aircraft has reached its cruising altitude, the motors are turned off, and the small piston engine continues to operate, delivering 50% more efficient than today's gas turbine. From our initial studies, the electric motors could be air-cooled, decreasing the complexity of the thermal management systems. To further maximize the efficiency of the aircraft, every effort has been made in the design to optimize its aerodynamic performance. As you can see here, with a clean wing and retractable landing gear. The propellers are positioned at the rear of the aircraft, reducing the noise footprint by up to 60%. Other environmental benefits include 50% less CO2 emissions when used with Jet A, and 90% less CO2 emissions when powered by sustainable aviation fuels. On this point, we see this aircraft being capable of using 100% SAF. So, when could the Energia Hybrids enter into commercial service? By 2030, which is not so long away, isn't it? So, the next concept I would like to present to you is our Energia Electric, a full electric aircraft. It has a similar seat capacity to the Energia Hybrid, 9 seats, with a range of 200 nautical miles, which covers more than 90% of the target market. Powered by batteries and an electric motor, the design is innovative as well as flexible. Swappable batteries are located at the nose of the aircraft to reduce turnaround time and reduce recharging costs. As you can see, there is a rear-mounted electric engine or motor and highly efficient propellers. And the glider-inspired high aspect ratio wings, I love that, by the way, and retractable landing gear reduces energy consumption by offering ultra-efficient aerodynamics. There are excellent environmental benefits associated with this propulsion architecture. 0 carbon emissions and 80% reduction in external noise. We are aiming to get this concept aircraft into commercial service by 2035. So, to our third concept aircraft, we would like to present to you the Energia hydrogen fuel cell. This is a larger aircraft than the 2 you have just seen, with 19 seats and a range of 200 nautical miles, which can be extended as required by customers. Liquid hydrogen powers fuel cells, which in turn provide electric power to the e-motors. The high specific power fuel cell and the high specific energy liquid hydrogen tanks really help to reduce weight. As you can see, we have designed the aircraft with a very clean wing and fuselage to maximize aerodynamics, efficiency, and performance. This aircraft, like all others in this energy family, has excellent environmentally friendly credentials. It delivers zero carbon emissions and 70% less external noise compared to currently in service aircraft of a similar size. We estimate entry into service of this type by 2035. Last but not least, let me present to you the largest concept aircraft in the Energia family, the Energia hydrogen gas turbine. With a 35 to 50 seat capacity and a range of 350 nautical miles to 500 nautical miles, it is ideally suited to the mid-payload regional sector. Unlike the other concepts, this aircraft does not have an electric motor or a battery. Instead, it uses dual-fuel gas turbine propulsion. On short missions, on short ranges, below 350 nautical miles, 100% hydrogen energy can be used. For longer routes, SAF or Jet A will be used. The right size hydrogen tank reduces weight and drag, improving aerodynamics and performance. As you have seen with our other concepts aircraft, the clean wing and fuselage further maximize aerodynamic performance. The rear-mounted configuration reduces external noise by up to 60% and is carbon neutral. We estimate entry into service by 2040. So, this is our Energia family. I hope you are as excited as I am with our vision for the future. I really do believe what you have seen today pushes the boundaries of flight and will become a reality in the not-too-distant future. Thank you to our audience here in Brazil for joining us today, and everyone who is watching us online. I would now like to hand back to Johanna and Arthur in the London studio. Thank you.